current affairs, news headlines 17th November 2024. National updates. The Ayush Ministry's Yoga at Work, Y-Break, has been awarded a certificate of appreciation for its outstanding performance on the iJyoti Karmayogi Bharat platform. Indian Army to honor 1962 war heroes with events at 2 war memorials in Arunachal Pradesh. More than 10 lakh senior citizens have enrolled for the Ayushman Vridh Vandana card within 3 weeks of its rollout. PM Modi embarks on 5-day visit to Nigeria, Brazil and Ghana. The nation is paid homage to the great martyr of the nation, Shaheed Kartar Singh Sharabha, yesterday. Union Minister Giriraj Singh inaugurates Textile Ministry's pavilion at IITF. International updates. Residents of several towns in Australia's state of Victoria have been ordered to evacuate due to nearby bushfires. German Chancellor Olaf Scholz has urged Russian President Vladimir Putin to engage in negotiations with Ukraine to achieve a just and lasting peace. Philippines raises second highest alert as Storm Manny heads for eastern part of main island of Luzon. US President-elect Donald Trump announces Donald Stephen Chang as White House head of communications. Sports updates. In hockey, hosts India maintain their unbeaten record at the ongoing Women's Asian Champions Trophy at Rajgir as they thrash China in their 4th match. In tennis, India's Rohan Bopanna and his Australian companion Matthew Ebden have defeated the German pair of Kevin Kreutz and Tim Puetz in the group stage clash at the ATP Finals 2024. In squash, India's Abhay Singh stormed into the semi-finals of the ACE Malaysia Cup in Kuala Lumpur. In cricket, India thrashed South Africa by a staggering 135 runs in the 4th and final T20 International at the Wanderers Stadium in Johannesburg. Like, share and subscribe our channel.